Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going the shortbread cookie recipe, so let's go! For this recipe we need 300 grams of flour, 200 grams of butter cut into pieces and 100 grams of sugar. A cookie cutter, a salad bowl and a sieve. A rolling pin and a fork. 2 whole plates with 2 baking paper. Heat the oven to 150 degrees. First, put the butter in the bowl. And sift the flour over the bowl. Then knead with your fingertips to incorporate the butter. After incorporating the butter, we'll add the sugar. Then knead until the homogeneous dough is obtained. Put the dough on the flour work surface and work the dough well. And roll out the dough using the rolling pin. Now, using the cookie cutter, cut out all the dough. Then, take the fork and make small holes on all the cookies. Now, put the cookies in the oven. Close the oven and do them for 30 minutes. Ta-da! Your shortbread are ready! It's so good.